Hi YouTube. Today some issue with the Chevy Volt window regulator or the driver door. It go down but doesn't go up. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix that. 13, 14, 15 probably. They are probably the same. Or maybe all the Chevy Volt should be the same. I hear the motors like grinding in there, but the window doesn't go up or down. It's down all the way already. So pretty much like the cable is burnt out when the motor went out. I'm not sure. Okay, show you how to do it. This is the part number in case you want it. Here you go. I cannot get this from the auto part. I don't know why, but they don't have it. So when the dealer ordered this, it's not that expensive. It's only $200 for a window regulator. Okay, likely maybe the cable's gone. Sometimes the cable is like off track or anything like that, so it doesn't work. All right, pretty simple. And so I explained there's one screw here, one screw there, and then the mirror got screw right here. So let's take the other one out first. Using one of this and slowly dig this thing out. Okay, there you go. And there is a small screw in there, 7mm. There is one inside here. Take out this little plastic here out. The two more on the 7mm. Let's see, I can pop this out. There's a gap opening down here, and you can use your knees, hold down the window, and then slowly pop. It is hard, okay, but it can pop out. Just a clip. Okay, then slide up top, push to top like this. Okay, behind here, in here there's a clip. Just pull this cable up like this and detach the ball from here. And then on this side over here, okay, like this, and there's a clip. Just put your finger on it, detach this two bolt. Okay, good thing they're all 7mm, so you don't have to go look around for another socket. So I just pull this up. Okay, you're tearing down from the bottom to the top because the bottom here is not sticky as much as the top. See this right here, when I show you when I took off, so they will clip on this pretty easy. All right, they are 10mm. Yep, they are 10mm. Good thing that everybody using metric now. There's a clip, you just push down and yank it down here like that. Trim ply this, which is like this one. Okay, and what you do, just slowly pry it in the back here like that. Should pop out. You see this window drop all the way. See, you can see the cable right here. The cables came off. Okay, the other one on this side is already fall off, and you see the cable is been off already too. It's good to have two people. If you have two people, it will be the best. Okay, take this out. So loose tension on the glass. Okay, so you can pull the glass up. You can take the glass out, or my way, I just tape the glass to the frame here, so I don't have to take the glass out. If you have two people, one guy just holding like this, then you don't have to worry about it. But for me, I will tape this right here. So make sure you tape good. If you don't, your glass drop. You can get a damaged glass. Okay, make sure you tape a couple to make sure it's sturdy. Like this. Okay, one more right here. And try to pull down. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Make sure it stay up there. Okay, so now safe. And what I'm gonna do is release this two bolt right here. Okay, a little bit. You don't have to take the whole bolt out. Make sure you can slide out like that. Slide out like this. Okay, now it came off. See that? Because this side is gone. The glass slide on this side is gone. Okay, this right here fall off. That. And it is down here. There. See, this came off. I'm not sure why, but it came off. It broke right here too. See, this broke off. This bolt here, there, they already reserved the plate that you can put on. So just slowly go this way. That. All right, slowly tap like that. Don't do too much. Okay, if you over tight this, okay, and the last one. So what you do, just plug this in. What you have to do, you window mode it back up. I'm gonna go turn the keys first, so that will have power to it. Okay, put powers on. Good right there. Okay, so detach this and get that out of my way. Leave it right here, and then this over here. So now I can drop my glass to it. Okay, slowly drop. So I just tie this two bolt. Okay. That's good enough. So now let's try to see it working properly. You don't want to put everything in and it doesn't work, okay? There you go. There you go. All right. Easy, isn't it? So this one's back up here again. And this one you never make mistake because it's up. This wire out first. There you go. See, I already made mistake right here. This right here, just put the ball into this right here like this. And then slide back and push in, lock to this little lock pin right here like this, and slide in like that. The pin, locking pin, go inside the hole first. Don't force it. If you force it, you don't hear this click. I mean, you're wrong. It's not in the hole. Okay, when it's not in the hole, you've broken the pin. Okay, let's put this bolt back up here a little bit. Same thing, the two right here. There, done. So make sure you put the little cover back up here, and this one on the back here too. That's it. And you can test it to see it work. It worked perfectly now. Perfect. All right, thank you for watching. Easy like this. Don't take to your dealership. You can do it yourself. See you guys next video. Please help subscribe, okay? Bye bye now.